In today's video, I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about recording on your desktop using Loom, whether you're on Windows or Mac OS. If you're ready to effortlessly create engaging videos, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to log in to the web version of Loom, or for a more integrated experience, consider installing the Loom desktop app for your specific operating system. This app is available for both Windows and Mac OS, and you can find the download link on the Loom website. Having Loom installed on your desktop can streamline your video recording process, giving you quick and easy access to all the tool's features. Once you've logged in or installed the app, open Loom and look for the Record of Video option, which you'll find on the lower left corner of the interface. This is your gateway to all the recording modes Loom offers. Speaking of recording modes, Loom gives you the flexibility to choose how you want to record. You have three options: screen and camera, where you can record your screen and yourself simultaneously; screen only, which focuses solely on capturing what's happening on your screen; and camera only, if you prefer to record just yourself, without any screen capture. These options allow you to tailor your videos to best suit your content and audience. Next, decide which part of your screen you'd like to capture. You can choose to record your full screen if you want to provide a comprehensive view, a specific window to highlight a particular application, or a custom area if you're focusing on a particular section of your screen. This granularity in selection can prove very beneficial when you need to emphasize specific details. Before hitting record, it's important to adjust your audio and camera settings. Make sure your microphone is selected and capturing clear audio, and check your camera positioning and lighting if you'll be on camera. For even more control, you can explore the settings menu by clicking the ellipsis icon, which will allow you to adjust video quality, set a countdown timer, and manage visibility controls. These settings are key to ensuring your video is professional and aligns with your presentation style. Now, you're ready to start recording. Clicking Start Recording will initiate a short countdown that gives you time to prepare before Loom begins capturing your screen activity. During the recording, you'll notice an on-screen toolbar. This handy feature allows you to pause or restart the recording, annotate using a drawing tool, or cancel if needed. These controls make it easy to manage your recording dynamically. When you've finished, click Stop Recording. Loom will automatically upload your video to your library. From there, you have several editing options at your disposal. You can trim the video to cut out any unnecessary parts, title it to give viewers an immediate insight, set privacy settings, enable comments and emojis for interactivity, embed links or CTAs, and even copy a shareable link if you wish to distribute your video. And that's it! You've successfully created and customized a video with Loom. This tool is great for creating tutorials, presentations, or any visual content you want to share with your audience. So go ahead and give it a try. Happy recording!